What's up, everybody? Dre Hall here. How you can build a pro online business in the next 30 days. If you apply what I'm sharing with you in this video, I'll review your results and go over them with you 30 days from now. Based upon your efforts, you can change your life very quickly. You have 5 to 10 minutes to hang out live with me. Start right here with this link. I'll be waiting on the other side. Let's get to it, guys. So we're going to start with, I stumbled across this 24/7 automated system. It's really making it easier for beginners because, there's a lot of reasons, but you're well branded as an online marketer because the name is Newbies on Fire. So people getting started inside the industry that never made money online before, people click your link knowing that they are lacking experience, and you have the experience to provide them what they need to take their life to the next level. If you're ready to win with 25, 100, and 250 and $500 instant commissions, Newbies on Fire has a way for you to make that possible. Here's some apps, guys, for, these are the type of apps we use as online business owners. You could code your own, but we have the creativity apps. Those are really important. Here's some other income streams I have. Don't worry about those. Right, I just wanted to share this with you guys. When I learned Twitter, when I learn these things, I'll be teaching these things to you, pretty much how to market correctly on these platforms. I'm not teaching them yet. I'll teach Facebook because I've been able to generate results on Facebook. I've been able to generate results on Instagram and YouTube. I'm new to TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, so it's going to take me some time and dedication to get to that point. These are all payment processors you could use, so if you see any of these, you have everything you need to start receiving money. You just need to go ahead and follow through with creating your account. Let's hop into this, right, because we have some bonuses, right? We've been making content. You guys get this content when you join. Here's some team members I have. The pleasure of doing business with. Here goes Tracy, Dwayne, Astrid, Kia, Xavier, Nikisha, and Edgar. So if you're seeing a share from one of these 7 people, go ahead and click the link that they're providing you to move forward on their team, and you'll end up on my team by default. Now, I do want to go over a couple things. I don't want to go over the compensation plan per se because that takes the joy out of the video. So let's start with the system. All these pages, right? You get all these for when you get started, right? So what are these? These are called capture pages, right? And this is a video right here. So we'll bring this one up first. It's a video that explains the whole opportunity, so you don't have to be selling, telling, or recruiting anyone. You just share this link with them that you get with your system, and that's how you generate results. Now, this is just a landing page. You see, this is when people create their full account. But other than that, the main focal point of marketing is collecting contact information and being able to generate leads. Because if you could generate leads, you could build your contact information up to, the thousands, the tens of thousands. And once you do that, you'll be able to contact all these people all at once. So other than that, what does Newbies on Fire provide? You got a broadcasting tool which lets you contact all the leads you generate through the system. So it's an all-in-one suit that enables you to start working towards your goals today, whether that be financially, or just coming in here, getting the knowledge and seeing what it takes to build a brand online. By a brand, I mean the influencer, the people that society raves over them, the famous people. They're well branded. They're probably the perfect example to get you to grasp the concept of branding, and how important it is in your life. Everything around you is branded. You might as well be branded as well, because everything around you is branded for a reason, and that's to draw your attention to the brand. So we go over how to find buyers, lead gen workshop. The best part about this, in my opinion, is the packages choice. You could start for the starter, the basic, or the advanced, or even the elite. And when you get the basic package, the starter package is included. When you get the advanced package, the basic package and the starter package is included. When you get the elite package, the advanced package, the basic package, and the starter package is included. And you're qualified to earn $25 commissions, $100 commissions, $250 commissions, and $500 commissions. You can only earn commissions on products that you own. The video link, right, this link right here, this is going to show you exactly how you get paid and, you know, how much money you can actually make. So we'll head over to the leaderboards and, you know, show you examples of, you know, the first 90 days of this business, right? People are getting paid. This is all in 90 days. There's been over, I believe, $175,000 generated by our team in the past 90 days. Now, my personal results, right, I'm getting started. I showed you guys my team members, Tracy, Nikisha, Astrid, right, we'll go to commissions and you can see, you know, that I am making money. Now, why are these the only people that I've earned commissions from? That's because of the leverage inside the compensation plan. I'm gonna save that for the video, right? We're gonna exit out of here. Okay, so let's say I'll briefly explain the compensation plan. Let's say you're new to this business, you just started it, right? You want the skills to pay the bills. You refer one person, you make money from this person. You refer a second person, that money goes to your sponsor. You refer a third person, you make money from that. You refer the fourth person, that goes to your sponsor. You keep your fifth, sixth, seventh, and, you know, every sale after your fourth sale to yourself. Now, we pass up the second and fourth sale because that provides us unlimited leverage, you know, for the lifetime of our business. What that means is, you know, you pass up money here and here, but you gain additional money from each and every member when they have to pass you up 2 of their sales. How that looks is this spreadsheet. So you see the starter package, the basic package, the advanced package, and the elite package. This 4, right, this is for this column number 3. This row number 3 is actually for this one right here. So 10 is for row number 4, 40 is for hold on. Row number 3 is 4, row number 4 is 10, row number 5 is 20, row number 6 is 40, row number 7 is 50, row number 8 is 75, row number 9 is 100, row number 10 is 1,000 right here. Now, these numbers right here, these are dependent upon this right here. So if I put 0 in here, I'll zero out all the numbers, right? It'll make them negative. Why it makes them negative is because if you're passing up 2 starter package sales, you're going to have to deduct $50 from your total earning. If you're passing up 2 basic sales, you're going to have to deduct $200 from your total earnings. If you're passing up 2 advanced sales, you have to deduct package X amount of pass up your sponsor. What we get when everyone next level, right, the structure, take the win out. She's them have to pay $50. Look at the actual product max. Sell number by 17,500 per. We'll go ahead and make, let's put else here. You earn 1,000, right? So you only qualify extra potential passive income coming. Now, when this 8,000 happens, you know, your next potential passive income is double that. So now, once you've received your 8,000, you'll have 16,000 on the way, and that's the new goal you're working towards achieving. This is passive income because you bring in 4 people, you know, that's your work complete. Now, if you want to go beyond and get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's helpful because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 each have to pass you up 2 sales, which means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 That's 6 new business partners, which will be 6 times 500. That's an extra $3,000. Now, them 6 new business partners, if they pass up 2 $500 sales each, how much extra money is that? That's an extra $6,000 because we were willing to put in the work. Essentially, why we do this is because, you know, you need a way to make money in your sleep. One way you make money in your sleep is by automation tools. We have automation tools.
Congratulations.
Right? I just logged in. This tool starts up and plays the video and walks me through how to get started. Now, another way to get automation is, the efforts of others. Whether I liked it or not, right? I chose to join the company because I did like it. If I go to my team, I go to starter course training team. You see Tracy and Astrid. Now, if I go to starter course pass-ups, hold on, let me go back. You see it says direct sell, direct sell. Pass up to JCBRR1234, pass up to JCBRR1234. Why it's like that is because it enables me to start receiving pass ups myself based off the work of others. So let me put this in reference. I personally referred Kia and Xavier. That's why they're showing on my account, but I passed them up to my sponsor, Jose, to qualify. If you look at the time down here, there's a good chance that Jose was sleeping at 2:30 a.m. between 6:30 a.m. There's a good chance that, he wasn't up in the middle of the night at those times, which means he got paid in his sleep based off my efforts because I was up. Now, Jose does work late, so that's not always the case. Don't get me wrong, Jose works. But that's the big picture, guys. Kia is going to work a completely different schedule than me. So is Xavier. All your team members, that's how we work together, because we all don't have to be working at the same time. We just need to be applying effort daily. Now, if you guys got any questions before moving